Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. Summertime is all about backyard barbecues and soaking in the sunshine. When it comes to cookouts, there's usually a veggie burger, but what about Aunt Ginny's famous potato salad? Should we as vegans suffer as our friends and family stuff their face with mayo-covered potatoes? Huh. Well, worry not, my young grass eaters, for today I will show you how to make a salt-brined potato salad as well as a pesto pasta salad, perfect for a summertime barbecue. These salads are so good that even Aunt Ginny will want the recipe. Roll that beautiful tater footage. Alright, first up is a salt-brined potato salad, followed by our pesto pasta salad. For our potato salads, I'm going to be using baby red potatoes here. You could use whatever potatoes you like. I like these because I don't have to slice them, but I'm using 3 pounds. So we're going to take 10 cups of water in a large pot with 1 cup of salt. We're going to add our rinsed potatoes in there. And we're going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. They should be fork tender when the potatoes are ready. Allow those to drain, and as they cool, you'll notice that they start to form a salt crust around the potatoes. This is going to yield a really nice fluffy seasoned potato on the inside and then a nice crust on the outside. Now we're going to take a ½ cup of vegan mayo, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, and a teaspoon of pickle juice. Mix it up. Now we're going to add in our potatoes, and I just like to give these a good little squeeze, leaving behind some texture so that it's not just mashed potatoes covered in mayo. Now we're going to take 3 stalks of celery, just trimming off the ends. We're going to cut each stalk into 4 pieces and then dice them into nice bite-sized pieces. Now we're going to take half of a red onion, and we're going to slice it horizontally and then vertically to get nice small dice on this onion. Alright, now we're going to take about 3 pieces of dill, and we're just going to pick off the herbs, leaving behind that thick stem. And then we're going to give them a rough chop, followed by a mince. This should yield about 1 tablespoon of dill. Now we're going to add in our vegetables and our dill to the potato salad. Also 2 tablespoons of caper with the juice and 1 teaspoon of spicy brown mustard. Mix that up and you should have a well-seasoned, delicious potato salad. Time for a dance break. Okay, first up we're going to make a pesto for our pasta salad. So we're going to take 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of raw cashews, and we're going to blend that until broken down. Now add 1½ cups of fresh basil with a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Blend that until everything is fully combined. You'll be left with this really vibrant pesto. Transfer that to a container and set aside while we work on our other elements. We're going to take 1 pint of cherry tomatoes and just slice those in half. Transfer that to a bowl and set aside. We're going to take a 1/4 cup of Kalamata olives and just slice those into about 1/4 inch slices. Add that into your cherry tomatoes. We're going to take 1 can of hearts of palm that have been rinsed. We're going to 1/4 those and then just dice them. Add that into the bowl, and I have some cooked bow tie pasta that I tossed in olive oil. We're just going to add that in there with our pesto. And just give that a good mix, making sure not to crush your pasta. Now we're going to take this feta from Violife that is so delicious. We're going to take about 1/3 of it, and we're going to dice it into small pieces. So we're going to cut it in half, and then stack them together, slice them in half again, and then just cut them into cubes. Add that into your pesto pasta salad, and you are ready to hit the beach, hit a picnic. This is just delicious. Okay, so here we have our pesto pasta salad and our salt-brined potato salad. It's time for the taste test. All right, first up is the pesto pasta salad with so many of my favorite things. Wow, this just screams summertime, all those fresh elements, tomatoes in the summer. Can it get any better, really? This is perfect for a picnic, a barbecue, or just have on hand in your fridge just for a nice cool snack or dinner. Now onto the potato salad. All those capers and dill. Have mercy. Whew. I love that this is mayo based, but it's not too heavy. The lemon juice and capers and pickle juice really like liven it up a notch. And just remember, these are salads, people, okay? So the way to a salad bod is through these potato and pasta salads, okay? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy, out.